Everyone, myself Rohan Pandey, feeling very honored who are present over here. Few months back, I was present over between one of them, between one of you, struggling and hopeless. But when a student came over stage and told us about the struggles and achievement of his JEE journey, I was very much inspired over him. Talking about JEE mains examination, it is not too much tough, it is not too much smooth. One has to follow its daily routine, and in order to compete over all the huge population and huge competition, there are many distractions knocking our doors during the preparation of ourselves, but we should accommodate all over it and overcome through it. The journey is comprising of daily lectures and daily routines with a specific time schedule. There shouldn't be any distraction, and there will be distraction. You have to overcome through it. You will see people mocking over you. What are you doing? Why are you doing? But trust me, the preparation and the result. At the result, you will be very much happy throughout over it. And I would think that in class, students who are present in higher class 11th and 12th have plenty of time to overcome and achieve what they want to be. Don't waste your precious time of class 11th and 12th. It can make your life, and it can ruin your life also. People who feel very distracted and indulge themselves in many type of social medias and smartphones, don't go to it. At last, I would say that I've also suffered the heat wave you are suffering today. So I will not take too much of time. Just follow your teachers. Every teacher and his saying will be much important to you. When you feel this thing in the examination, you will remember all those class moments and teachers' words when the question will be appear in front of you. So stay motivated, stay calm, and follow your journey. Thank you.
Wow, you see, this is my product. This is my product. How elaborately he explained all things. Now his personality development has taken place. And he told about the distractions. Distractions, you have to overcome those distractions. Then only you will get the success. It is not smooth and it is not very challenging. Medium path you have to follow. And you see how he expressed his feeling. It is really commendable. And I just congratulate and pray Almighty कि ये और आगे बढ़े और तरक्की करे और देश और समाज का सेवा करके हम गुरुओं का और अपने माता पिता का और विद्यालय का नाम रोशन करे. Many congratulations बेटा रोहन. God bless you.